What's up guys, it's Sebastian. So when I first started dropshipping and wasn't crazy skilled in the business model, I had no idea how to create a high converting website. I set up the basic debut theme and had no good product description, no urgency, nothing was on my website, and I somehow still had upwards of almost a 10% conversion rate. This was back in 2017 when dropshipping was a lot less competitive. Now things have changed and you have to have a very good website to get a similar conversion rate, and a lot of people don't know how to actually set up their website professionally to make it convert very well. So in this video, I'm going to create a Shopify store and show you guys exactly how I set up the logo, the website, the product page, everything along those lines, from content to writing the description, everything, just because this is very important. This is the make or break of your business. You can have a lot of traffic, but if your website does not answer all the questions and sell the product enough, you won't make sales. So before we get into my computer, be sure to smash that like button and click subscribe because I'm posting every single day. So I guess enjoy that content. Now that that's out of the way, let's get into my computer. Okay, so we're in my computer. The site is called Pore Cleanser. That's not going to actually be the name of the brand. I just made it because it was open. I can change that whenever I want. First thing you want to do when you're creating a store, obviously create an email, have that all set up. And then what we're going to be doing is, before we do anything, we need to add the proper apps, because this is going to be where you can add some stuff that helps your website convert more and gets a better AOV, which is average order value. First things first though, we need to add an app to import our products from AliExpress into our dropshipping store on Shopify. So I use the app De-essers. It's free, as you guys read right there. It's made from AliExpress and it is very well integrated with AliExpress and Shopify. It allows you to do bulk orders. So instead of fulfilling an order one by one, De-essers allows you to combine all the orders into one order. So if you have 100 orders, traditionally with Oberlo, you had to place them one by one. Okay, like I was saying, sorry, I had to create a De-essers account. And don't mind the name, it's just I created a random funny email for this store, and I'm just gonna click next through all this stuff because I already know how to use it. But like I was saying, with Oberlo, you had to do single orders. So on your bank account statements, it looked like terrible because you had so many transactions to where if you were doing 1,000 orders a day, some banks didn't like that. So De-essers allows you to combine all the orders into one payment on AliExpress, which makes it very easy to fulfill the orders and track all your finances and stuff. So that was nice. And again, don't mind this name. So now the app is set up, and now I need to link my AliExpress account, so we'll do that right now. Okay, so now our De-essers account is completely set up. I'm just going to paste in this link that was for this pore cleanser. Okay, so I have the pore cleanser synced on our De-essers account. I basically just took this link, copied it, and pasted it onto import list right here, the URL. Now what I need to do is I need to edit it a little. So I've decided I'm going to use the name Mr. Pore, which is kind of fun because it puts a face, almost in a sense, behind the brand, which is good. So I'll do Mr. Pore, the original pore cleanser / vacuum. I think that's how you spell vacuum. Let me check. Let's just paste it right there. Yes, that is. Okay, I had to make sure. So we'll leave that. That's a good title. It just portrays exactly what we're selling. And then we'll go to variants. I think this is with bag, box. So I'm going to remove the with box. We can just trash it right there. I removed the variant with the bag and just left the one with box because when customers receive the package, I do want them to have this pore cleanser come in a box. A box looks way better than just in a baggie. Some products I've sold that are just in bags and it looks fine. It just, when this product is electronical and has lots of parts, I would rather have the product come in a nice box, packaged up. So for the price, I googled pore cleaner and they're selling for $34, $39, $28, $32, $29. This is the top listing though, so $34. We can still sell it for $34. That's completely fine. Let me exit out of that one. So $34, $99. That will leave us with, let's just see, $10. Let's go back. $10 for this, or $9.39 plus another $4 for ePacket. I'm not sure if ePacket's actually operating right now, but that comes out to around $14. So normally if I were selling this and I was sourcing it for $14, I would definitely want to sell it for 3x the markup, which would be $45. So actually I'm going to do $39 just because I want to have some margin on this product. And then let me check if the competitors are doing like the compare at price or not. So they're saying was $79. We'll do that as well. was $79.99. People think they're getting a great deal because they are. I'd take out all of this description and then image. That right there looks ugly, so I'm going to have to, oh, they have the original run right there without it. So that's good. Everything is set up well, and then we'll just delete that and default. And then we will save this, and then let's push it to our store. Okay, so we're pushing this to our store, and now it should sync onto our Shopify store. Yes? Let's check. Okay, this is cool, this is cool. It did not take out this, that's fine. So first things first, I'm just going to delete these ugly ones. All of these look pretty bad for the most part. That one too. Yeah, we'll delete. Actually, I'll save this and I'll just I'll edit it a little bit so that it looks good. I'm just gonna take out that yellow text because that looks bad. And then, like I said, I'm editing this photo, so I can just do this directly on Shopify now. So saving this without that text because that looked very bad. And now that looks good. So we have 3 product description or product pictures. I'm going to look at these other ones and see exactly what they have on their site. This one has a picture of the packaging. That is good, but this guy has it branded. Now this looks photoshopped. Yeah, it's definitely photoshopped. So I don't even think he has custom packaging. We'll go down and check the reviews. No, he doesn't. It's just photoshopped. People do this. I personally wouldn't, just because it looks bad when they receive the product and it doesn't have black back on the packaging. So that's not something I would do, just personal preference. He has some more photos, which is good. We don't. We have 3. 3 is fine. We obviously could add more, but the main thing is product description. So let's see what they're doing. Yeah, so he's basically saying the same thing. So that's what I would say. Home of the original pore cleanser / I could have just copied this from my that, and then we'll do an H2, and then let's check out another site and see what they have. So they have features. Okay, so when you're writing product descriptions, you want to have a very strict format. So what it is people land on your websites and they need reasons on why they should buy it, and they need their questions answered before they even commit to a purchase. So right now they're thinking, okay, this is a blackhead and pore vacuum, cool, cool, cool. Actually, that's good. I'll do home of the original blackhead and pore blackhead cleanser. We'll do that. So what I was saying is there's a very strict route you need to go with your product description. So you introduce the product and then you just explain exactly what it is. So you kind of present an issue right here. Are you looking for a better way to naturally remove blackheads without any harmful effects to your skin? Now you have it, boom, introducing the product. Then what they're saying is that creams with strong chemicals can damage your skin and blah, 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 blah. Use this for 2 to 3 times a week to clean out the excess oil and dirt. And then they have a nice GIF right here showing exactly how it works, which, ooh, that looks a little satisfying. And then they go into bullet points. This is how I structure basically all of my product descriptions to convert very well. And then before and after. So I have some of these photos and GIFs saved, so that is great. We'll be able to add these. But basically, we're just going to rewrite this because this is how you should structure your product descriptions. Obviously, I'm not going to copy this directly, but again, this is kind of how I structure my descriptions anyway. So we'll just kind of reference this when we are writing our product description. I can't talk. Say goodbye to nasty blackheads. Boom. Do you struggle with blackheads on your nose and face? Do you struggle with blackheads on your nose or face? And okay, we'll just leave it like that. Do you struggle with blackheads on your nose or face? Question mark. Does it seem as if they never go away no matter how hard you try? Believe me, we Oh shoot, I cannot spell right now. Believe me, we feel your pain. Introducing Mr. Poor. The blackhead. Sorry, I think I'm touching my mic, so I don't know if it's picking it up. The blackhead solution for your problems. And then we will introduce, or we'll give some more detail. So they're basically saying stop using creams and ointments with strong chemicals that damage your skin and fail to get rid of acne. So I'm going to rewrite that a little bit. I'm going to say, now yes, expensive skincare products are good at keeping your surface clean, keeping the surface of your face clean. We'll do that. I think that's how you use it. I didn't really do that great in high school, but I think that's how you do it. I wasn't, again, that good at grammar. But the real issue is under the surface, where the dirt and oils build up, causing blackheads and nasty pimples that are traditionally here to stay. So Mr. Poor makes it very easy to remove the residue in your pores effortlessly without any pain. See results, see almost instant results. Let's just see almost, no, that doesn't really make sense. We'll say use 2 to 3 times per week to see great results. So we'll do that, and then we will import some content. So I'm gonna grab this from my documents. Okay, so I'm importing the first GIF right now, and we're gonna add this to our product description. So let's add it as large should be fine. We'll see right now. So this is a great visual because it's showing exactly what's going down. We'll actually resize this a little bit. Let me save that and see how it looks so I know exactly what we're getting ourselves into so far. Okay, that's a good size. Let's see what their size is. So they have it all centered. I'm probably gonna do, that's fine. Yeah, that's a good size. Okay, now we need some more text. So what do they write? So now they're writing bullet points. So quick and painless, convenient to use, great for all skin types, reduces and prevents wrinkles. So now they're listing out tons of, ew, that is disgusting. Some of these, sorry, some of the videos of this product being used are so gross. Quick and painless, convenient to use. We're basically just going to rewrite that. Okay, so here is an update for our product description. I basically just laid out all these bullet points right here, similar to what they did, and listed out some benefits because that is good. That's how you want to structure your website. And when you are making these stores, be sure you're not copying word from word. So if you see exactly what this is saying and then what I'm saying, I definitely rewrite everything and make it so it sounds like my own text because it is. I just want to get reference from other websites because they're already converting well and then add my own twist. So now I'm going to add another GIF right now. Actually, instead of a GIF or GIF, we will do a photo, a before and after photo. Now all of the content on these websites, I'm gonna go through them in a second once this uploads. I will select that. All of these people are basically using the same content, which means it's very open and free rights use, like this photo, and then they're all using basically the same stuff. So I am completely fine with using it because of the fact that everyone, again, they're all using the same content. Now, if I were to create this into a brand, what I would end up doing is getting my own content, having someone film videos or GIFs or create GIFs and do all of this content for me so that I can have my own custom content with a logo overlay so that no one else can use it, because that is where you can get the best conversions because, again, it's all fresh content that no one else has seen. Actually, that doesn't look good. Okay, now I'm also centering all the images because it looks better centered, so we'll save that and show you exactly what our product page looks like now. And I'm going to change the theme. It's not going to be like this. I just have it right now. I don't really care for it yet. Once we get into the theme and stuff, I'll show you guys how to structure that as well. So now we have this, and then we'll go and check out exactly what these other people are saying on their site. So number 1 recommended, 100% safe, blah 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 blah. I think I'm gonna do something like this, like how to get the best results. So explain exactly how to use them, and then just have this structure. So we're gonna paste this in here again. If I had more time, I would just rewrite this. I am still gonna rewrite this. I'm just showing you guys a very fast way to structure this. So start your treatment by opening your pores with a hot shower, using a hot steamer, or by placing a hot towel on your face. Okay, so start your treatment. Begin with, I don't even want this bold. Begin with Mr. Pore by opening up your pores to allow easy extraction. Okay, and then we'll bold this. Do so by using a hot towel on your face. Hot damn towel on your face for 1 to 2 minutes. Number 2. So as you guys saw, I took note of what they were saying and then I basically rewrote it. It's exactly what you guys should do. Choose a suitable head and press the power button. Hold for 3 seconds. Choose your preferred attachment, and I cannot spell, and hold the power button for 3 seconds. I again cannot spell. Always start with the lowest intensity. Okay, so we'll basically just say begin with the lowest intensity. Begin with the lowest intensity how is to spelled wrong? Okay. To ensure you do not damage your skin. Move the vacuum back and forth around your pores. Okay, so now we'll say move the vacuum back and forth around the pores. Move Mr. Pore along your pores to remove the residue. So remove the debris in your pores. That sounds fun. Let's bold this. You guys are really seeing me in my element, like my natural habitat, actually having to think and film at the same time. You're not staying in the same place for over 3 seconds. Be sure, I do not want this bold. Oops. What the hell did I just do? There we go. Be sure to avoid staying in the same location sounds too large. Same area, same spots for too long to avoid skin bruising. That sounds fine. Finish your treatment with a cold towel or mask to close your pores. To end your treatment, rest a cold towel on your face to seal your pores. Optional, add a toner afterwards to focus shrink to. I cannot read or type right now. Number 4, optional, apply a toner afterward to further shrink your pores and apply your favorite moisturizer. I'll just say we recommend using a moisturizer. We recommend using your favorite moisturizer after all treatments to ensure clean and healthy skin. Okay, this would be cool because with this product you can definitely upsell skincare products. So if this was something you wanted to private label, you could upsell like a moisturizer after, like an aftercare kit where you have this Mr. Pore vacuum and then you upsell the after kit where you sell the moisturizer. That's definitely doable. That's easily what you could do with this product. Okay, after that, what we're going to do is we are going to just say what the package includes. So I'm just going to copy it because we basically are all using the same exact product listing. So we'll do this, scroll down. Actually, I'm gonna add one more GIF right here. So we'll import a GIF right now. Okay, this one looks a little large, so I'm just going to scale it down a little bit, and then we will censor that, and then we'll go, oh, did not mean to do that. And then we will go down and add this. One blackhead remover vacuum. So we'll do one Mr. Pore. Blackhead remover vacuum, acne removal, perfect pore cleanser. Boom. 5 various vacuum heads. Blah, 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 blah. Save that. Description is basically done. We're going to inspect this and check it out. Make sure it looks solid and professional. So, as you guys can see, this looks very good. The product page is looking spicy already, and we have great... Why do I have two of the same photos? I didn't see that one. What? That's kind of weird. I don't understand that, but okay. So that is done, and we don't really need to mess with anything else on the product page. Now what I need to do is I need to edit this theme. We will go with Brooklyn Playful because this is my go-to if I am doing a free theme. It works fine, it converts well, and there's no problem with it. If you guys are wondering what paid theme I prefer, I like Prestige. Prestige looks really good. There was another one I used to use last year that I don't really use. It was the one that was very like spammy and upsell-y. Or no, it just had a lot of countdown timers and stuff. I forgot. Booster theme. That's what it was. Okay, so what I'm doing right now, basically taking off the Powered by Shopify. I hate when it does this. So we will scroll back over here and just delete that. Is there another one? Yeah. And then we'll delete this. And then we'll save. Okay. Now we'll check out our site again just to make sure the Powered by is taken off. Actually, it's not even on this theme. I forgot. We're customizing the Brooklyn. So what I'll do right now is I'm just going to publish this so that I can see it off the bat. I know I can just click that and preview, but whatever. And now I'm going to start customizing the Brooklyn theme because we need to make it look amazing. First things first, actually, I need a logo. So we are going to create some text right here. Mr. Pore. I use the Montserrat theme with this. Or Montserrat font, not theme, sorry. And I'm just going to position this 2 squares apart on this top left. And then we will resize this. I need it unconstrained. 2 squares and 2 squares. Looks good to me. Looks very center. Now we'll save this. Mr. Pore logo. A PNG file, so it's transparent background. And then what we need to do is create a checkout thing. So we'll do this as well. So here's me creating the checkout logo. Basically what I'm doing, I have this saved. I just always use this as a template normally for my websites. And I'm now just going to reposition it. That looks pretty center, honestly. And we'll scoot this over a smidge. And then we're going to save this so that when people are checking out, they see that on our we'll do checkout, Mr. Pore checkout. So that when they are buying a product from us, they see this on our checkout page. So it looks very professional, and it's something a lot of people don't do. So we'll add our logos right now. Oops, not that. checkout logo. We'll upload that. Save. I don't really need to look at it. I know what I do. I do center and medium. And then we'll go back here. Header, logo. Do that. Select. No, I don't want transparent. Logo, size. That purple's disgusting. Go away. So that looks fine. It's not really too complex. I definitely could go crazier with the logo, but I don't really need to. It's not really too big of an issue. This is an announcement bar. We'll show this. Might as well. Free shipping. We'll do this. Free worldwide shipping. We'll just do that. Bar, we can do, what colors are these people using? This one's using a mint. I like this color. So we'll just take a picture of that and open that in Photoshop and figure out what that color was, because I like that color. Okay, let's do this one. Copy the hex, whatever it's called, and then we'll throw that right there. So boom, now we have free. God, this thing needs to go away. I just don't like the purple. Let's go into colors and edit that. Actually, first let's do heading colors. Gross purple. We'll do this mint color. Buttons. What color is this person doing? It's plain. Okay, fair. This one. A green. Okay, so we're gonna start finishing up these colors for our product page and everything like that, just because I need to make sure they all look good. So we have this same green theme going on. It looks fine. Yeah, it doesn't look bad at all. Other stuff, I'm gonna change the body text. Form fields need to be white. Newsletter, that needs to be white. Drawer, so that's this. Background, we're gonna do that. Lines and borders, we'll do this mint color. And then buttons, we will do black. Button text, oh wait, no. Text we need to do black. We don't really have any buttons, I don't believe. Let me go here and see. Yeah, that looks good. Footer looks fine. So yeah, everything looks pretty solid. Some other things I'll need to do are add reviews and such. Also a favicon, I'll do that right now. We'll just do 500 by 500. And then we'll do Mr. 4. Move this over here. Is this centered? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, center enough, right? If there's a good way to center it, let me know. Favicon, Mr. 4. It's something a lot of people don't do, favicon, like something so simple. Hopefully nothing shows right there. Yeah, that's fine. Like even this one's probably doing maybe like 5-6 figures a month, and they don't even have a favicon, but it looks great if someone's on desktop. So yeah, that's all set up. Typography set up. The favicon set up. I don't think I have social medias. Nope, I don't. That's good. Product page. We're going to do. Where's the image? We're going to do thumbnails. So it's like that. And then what else? Button type. That's fine. I want this one to be large. Yeah, that looks really good. Oh, what the hell is that? I think it's just glitched. Why does it look like that? Well, I've never seen this on this theme. I think that's just glitched, honestly. But this looks great so far. Now I need to change. Oh, I actually didn't change typography. So we're gonna change this font. Again, I roll with Montserrat. Montserrat looks fire. I suggest it. So I think this is what are we doing? Heading. I do Montserrat bold. I'm just giving you guys all my secrets. looks good. And then this we will do monster at regular, I believe. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, that looks really good. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, that's the text now. And one other thing I have to do. Okay, so I have to change this store name. Don't mind this email. It's just, again, I've made a random one. This is none of my info, so don't call that number or go to that address. It's not me. It's just a random one. I didn't want my real one on there. So that is set up, and now we need to disable PayPal because this is essential. And it's only essential if you don't have fast shipping times. I do on my stores. I have 2 to 5 day shipping, so I have PayPal, and it's amazing. But that's basically how you create a good converting landing page. Another thing we can do is add reviews. I don't really think I need to, though. Yes, it's essential, but I don't really think I need to in this video. This is just the app Loox, L-O-O-X, and all you do is basically take this listing. You can sync all these reviews onto your website by just copying this text and putting it into your Loox account, and then importing all the reviews. I really don't need to show you guys that. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen that on another video. But that is what you do for a product page. Okay, Shopify is bugging out right now. It won't let me finish this video, like the dashboard is not loading. But that's how you create a high converting website, more specifically product page, because that is essential. That's where you're going to be sending all of your traffic. Hope you guys did enjoy. I, again, add reviews, and a countdown timer is also optional. I don't really do it anymore because if someone comes back in 2 days and they still see the countdown timer, they're going to be a little confused. But that's, again, going to wrap up this video. Hope you guys did get value. Smash that like button if you did enjoy this, and click the subscribe button below. And if you have any questions or concerns, be sure to drop them in the comment section below. I'll leave apps or anything I've mentioned in this video in the comments or in the description as well, in case you guys were curious or didn't hear exactly what it was, because sometimes I think I say something clearly and it's not. So people are curious, like, oh, what is that? Apps Loox. So I'll leave everything in the description if I mention it. But other than that, I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. I hope you again did enjoy. Peace.